It's called a lot of things. Active body control, magic body control, those are some of the names you hear. At Strutmasters.com, we call it a hydraulic, fully active suspension system. But no matter what you call it, it's expensive. When these high-tech struts and shocks quit working, most people say no way to the high cost of a dealership repair. We've heard repair estimates upwards of $10,000 on some luxury cars and SUVs with this kind of active hydraulic system. Well, folks who don't mind another car payment, they just sell or trade the vehicle, ending the problem for them. But what about the second, third, or even fourth owners of these great vehicles? That might be you. Millions have bought a huge problem and didn't even know it. Well, keep watching this video of you on a vehicle with a hydraulic, fully active suspension system. Well, first, here's a brief explanation of how it all works. A series of electronic sensors send data about road conditions to a microprocessor either built in or mounted near each strut or shock. Now, in some of the most advanced systems, tiny cameras are actually used to scan road surfaces, looking for potential bumps or imperfections. Now, some of these systems took more than 30 years in the research and development phases before they were even offered on the vehicle. And that fact alone should tip you off to the extraordinarily high cost of a hydraulic, fully active suspension system. In as little as 70 to 80,000 miles, the high maintenance of this kind of system comes to light. When the active hydraulic struts or shocks wear out, a noticeable loss of ride height makes many of these vehicles almost undrivable. Now, you could spend a small fortune putting original equipment shocks and struts back on your vehicle at your local dealership. But a lot of folks realize it's not worth spending $6,000 to $10,000 or more for a major repair on an older, high-mileage vehicle. And let's face it, a lot of folks just don't have that kind of cash lying around. Well, that's where we come in. We've been dealing with these types of suspension systems since 1999. And a great alternative is a suspension conversion kit like the ones perfected by us here at Strutmasters.com. Folks are just basically swapping the active hydraulic shocks or struts for traditional coil springs, struts, and shocks tuned by Strutmasters specifically for your vehicle. Our kit just bolts right in, and it works. It's similar to the type of suspensions that most vehicles have anyways. This is an affordable option to fix your vehicle once and fix it right. Well, check out our great website to see how to fix your vehicle. And if you're still unsure, give our team of experts a call at 866-597-2397 before you buy anything.